I sent this handheld stick welder from VEVOR and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. I'll show you everything that you're going to get. It comes in a good carrying case, padded. You can put everything you need to do the job right in the case. So you've got everything ready to go. This does require an electrical plug. It's not cordless. So you're going to have to use power, maybe a generator, or if you're near a plug, put it in the wall. Works like a regular welder. You can have your ground line here. It's going to attach here into the welder. They give you a little scraper brush here with the metal tip there. Gloves, some welding goggles, the welder itself, and they even give you some sticks here to get started with. Looks like you've got 5 of them here that come included in the kit. Here's the welder itself. Pretty cool device. Hand grip here. You've got a power level adjustment here underneath. You're going to take your ground line, attach it right here on the front, like this. Just kind of push that in, do like a quarter turn to the right, and then it'll lock in place. And then right here, this is where I'm going to attach my sticks. Just going to loosen up here, slide it down in, tighten that down. We're ready to go. It's got some air venting coming out the back here. It's got some air inlet here on the front to take the flow out, take out the heat. Overall, really cool device. It's so nice to be so portable with this. This is the whole thing. You don't have to have another box behind you. If you're doing some welds way up high on ladder, something that's hard to get the welding box up there, this could be the thing to do it in a pinch, get you into a tight spot. This is a 115 volt system, so you don't have to worry about having a 240 or something like that. They give you some gauge here on the side so you can understand how much of the power you're going to need to be using and what the fan cooling speeds are and stuff like that. So just got some basic information there. And like I said, really the only input you have is I'm going to just do my adjustment right here, turn the knob as you need. So hey, I hope that was helpful just to see this thing unboxed, look at all the parts that you get, and get a quick overview of how this thing is set up. I hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.